Dabolim Congress Block Committee President Anacleto D'Souza has said that former Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza should not intervene into the internal matters of Congress party, as NCP is solely responsible to bring in power BJP government in the state. Speaking over statement made by former Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza for aligning Congress with BJP, he told that Jose Philip D'Souza has made the statement out of frustration. He, however, supported the candidature of Captain Viriato Fernandes in Dabolim constituency. Dabolim Congress Block Committee President also has said that people are wise in Dabolim constituency and they will decide the fate of candidates, as Dabolim constituency has witnessed zero development during the last 10 years.
Maka accuse करता आणि he is trying to teach a person from Congress bloc, the Congress president, to talk what is in his mind. He is misguiding the people of Dabolim bloc. Maka एकूच सांग, दोन पावटी हो मिनिस्टर जालो वास्को. Is there any signature project in Vasco? Why is the bus stand still not happening, which was foundation was laid on his birthday? 17th of April, I think it was almost around 2000 and something. But till date, there is no bus stand. Fish market, Wilfred Miskita मरून गेलो, फाउंडेशन तेणे घातलेले. ते करू ना तेणे अजून. आणि धाबोले किती करपाक येता? आणि आम्ही किती करपाक जाय व किती नाका ते आमचे हाय कमांड हा सांगपाक. अरे तू आमचे रिलेशन बरे दवरपा जाय. तुवें जरी तर अलायन्स जाता जाल्यार तुका आमचो सपोर्ट जावो जाल्यार तू आमचे कडेन बरे भाशेन उलय. 3 पावटी तो म्हाका मेळपाक येयला. And all these 3 times I have said, if High Command agrees to your alliance, we will support you. But where is the question of we being supported? आता जरी तर तू सहमता आम्ही बीजेपी वांगडा सिक्रेट डील करता, मोबिनाचे हांव काय उलयना म्हणटा, जाल्यार तू म्हाज्या वांगडा अलायन्स करपाक कित्याक येता रे? That means you are getting खुजली somewhere. तुका खरपता एक कडेक आनी तू खरपिता एक कडेक. तुवें जेन्ना म्हाजो स्टेटमेंट काढला तेजी हांवें बरे भाशेन तुका रिप्लाय दिल्या. हांवें म्हणलें आमकां काय अजून इन्फॉर्मेशन ना फ्रॉम आवर हाय कमांड. जाल्यार हाऊ कॅन आय जस्ट कम आउट अँड सपोर्ट यू? आवर डिमांड वॉज दॅट वी वॉन्ट अ न्यू फेस. वी स्टील मेंटेन आवर डिमांड टू द हाय कमांड. वी वॉन्ट अ न्यू फेस which has a vocal, who has a love for Goa and Goans, and to all the people over Goa. आमका नाका आमच्या मध्ये फूट घातलेली. When the election comes, the result will be telling whether he has served or whether he has not served. But I will only tell you one thing. There is still something lacking on the development front. There are a lot of other development things which have to be taken care of. I am not saying that I only will try to do something better, but we have a plan. We need to do a proper planning on future. Youth employment, health sector. आता hospital आमचे इतले बरे बांधलेले आसा, but they fully functional ना. There are a lot of cases which are coming, but there are no sufficient places, no sufficient beds. Why is it not open? एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिल्लो आसा, सगळो वाळपयचो लोक हाडलेलो आसा. आमचे दाबोलीचे लोक खंय गेले?